So no major genetic drivers of metastatic disease have been identified so far. And this suggests that metastasis really is regulated by the interactions between the host and the cancer cells. So this meeting really focuses on these interactions, from the functional characterization of the metastatic niches to the factors that may alter these niches, such as lifestyle and comorbidities. And we think the time is right to discuss the tumor-host interactions that drive metastasis, to discuss new approaches to study metastasis in patients and model systems, approaches that are aided by the many new single-cell and special omics technologies, and also to highlight the emerging research areas in the field, including the effects of the nervous system. Our meeting will be held jointly with the Keystone Symposium on Neural Influences of Cancer, Tumor Microenvironment, and Cancer Immunology. So our vision with organizing this meeting is to provide a forum to discuss the diverse drivers of metastatic disease and to help solidify a host-centric view of metastasis that may inspire new research strategies to target metastatic cancer.
I think the star of the meeting is, of course, the niche biology. We cover different aspects of niche regulation in different organs. I think an important translational insight that will come from this meeting is understanding how perturbations of the organs where these cancer cells reside cause the emergence of metastasis. And also there's clear information emerging on how the immune system may be manipulated to attack a very early time points of metastatic disease. And there's also, our program also incorporates speakers from the industry that have developed new technologies to target metastatic cells before they manifest or at the stage 4 disease.
I am particularly excited about the talks on metastatic recurrence, persister cells, and dormancy. Metastatic recurrence is such a critical clinical problem, and our knowledge in that area is still somewhat limited. I'm also excited about the talks exploring cancer cell plasticity. I think this topic really goes to the core of how cancer cells metastasize at the molecular level, and is an area with a lot of exciting new discoveries.
Clinically, I think we are seeing how deeper understanding of the early stages of metastasis are going to offer an opportunity to target this disease earlier. Clinically, we need to educate ourselves and the medical community on how can we actually monitor metastatic disease very early, understand how the host may be influencing the progression of metastatic disease from the asymptomatic to symptomatic phases, and find markers and that we can use to monitor the disease very early on, and opportunities to maximize the targets that have been identified, both in immune oncology and targeted therapies that will specifically affect the relationship of these cancer cells with the niche or intrinsic pathways that are allowing for their survival. So I think this meeting will bring together and catalyze a new vision for cementing even more the translational and clinical output of metastasis research to move the field forward.
So basically, I think that if we look at the topics of this meeting, which are 6, like disseminated cell in the metastatic niche, the microenvironment regulation of metastasis, defining and shaping the metastatic microenvironment, brain-body axis in metastasis, cancer cell plasticity and evolution, and engineering and targeting the host mechanism of metastasis. It's very clear that the topics are really telling much about the current field of cancer research, but importantly, is telling about the future of cancer research field. And also, it's very clear if you see the program that we have made an enormous effort trying to attract people that are good at translating research findings to the clinics, and that also, of course, involves the pharma. As I mentioned, clinicians are part of the program. We have attracted those that are closer to the patient on a day-to-day basis. So clinicians are part of the program, and of course, those that are interested will be fundamental to move a very complex field forward. And those that are making the drugs move into the market are definitely part of what we want to be discussing on how to move these new exciting findings on new drugs within the microenvironment to target cancer to move forward. And this is fundamental to have important members of the industry. So industry representatives will be also very much welcome. Here I would like to re-emphasize the very unique aspect that by attending to our meeting, you will have the opportunity to attend 2 meetings in a very spectacular location in Banff. And I think those meetings are very well interconnected. So there will be shared sessions, meaning that attendees to the tumor microenvironment, metastasis, and the host will have the unique opportunity to attend to the other meeting, which is entitled Neural Influence of Cancer, Tumor Microenvironment, and Cancer Immunology. This other meeting is a little bit more focused, but definitely is a very emerging field in cancer research, and I think it will be a very nice complement for attending and to learn many new concepts.